Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages. Well, it ain't perfect, but that's a million times cleaner. And it looks so much better. I mean, it was an oil bath one, so it's never going to be, I think, 100% perfect. So, I actually get asked a lot of questions about why it takes so long for some of the cars to get finished. And no, this isn't directed at the owner of the T-Bird that we're working on. He already knows that it takes time, and he gets it. So there's never been an issue. He's been an amazing guy. This is part of the problem. Let me show you as I drop my rag. Okay. So, in the background, I'm putting in an air filter. Ready? Does that look like it fits? No. Completely, utterly wrong air filter for this. I know for a fact that thing is not supposed to sit like that. This is what we run into on a regular basis, and I don't understand why. Well, I do, but I'm trying to be... Fuck that, I'm not going to be nice anymore. If these parts houses would stop hiring people that don't know their ass from a hole in the ground and actually had the balls to show up to work, oh, wait, like everybody else in the world does, you want a paycheck? You show up and do your job. Oh, you want to move up in the world? Do your job right and stand out. Do your job better than the next person standing next to you or your boss even. You want to move up? Do a good job. Actually, do a damn good job. Always be there. Always show up. Not sell wrong damn parts. God, I hate this crap. It takes forever, and I mean forever, to get parts nowadays. And the parts are that. Completely, utterly wrong. I don't get it. It's not that hard to look something up. And if you're not sure, grab a book. You know, it's that funny thing with, letters and pictures in it. Don't just look at the pretty pictures. Read the words. Oh my God, I can't stand this crap. It's driving me crazy. We've needed these for the drive shaft for John's T-Bird. Yes, John, we had to replace them. They just plain and simply didn't look good, and I didn't want to take any chances. Neither did Bobby. Bobby looked at the ones that were here and went, yeah, no, we're not taking that chance. We're not putting anybody's life at risk. That being said, we ordered them. Go ahead, wait for it. Ask me how long ago. Come on, ask me. I can hear y'all yelling and screaming. How long ago, Scotty? Well, guess what? They were ordered 4 days ago. They just showed up late last night. As I was getting ready to leave, if I hadn't stayed with Bobby to work on this beautiful car or anything else that we have going on in the shop, we would have never even known that they had shown up or tried to even be here because they would have taken them back. This is absolutely moronic. Okay, thank you for letting me vent. Sorry. This is just crazy. All right, well, now I need to get a hold of Bobby at 7 minutes to 7 in the morning and go, oh, hey, by the way, wrong air filter. Okay, guys, we'll let you go. Thanks for letting me rant.